Taking a deep breath in, starting to release everything that no longer belongs to you, receiving miracle healing light from your head all the way to your toes, throughout all your field, starting to connect to the energy of God, the I Am, God, Goddess, and seeing your beloved connect to the energy of God, Goddess, the I Am. Eita ursopumi kiasa atae, wa ere os omaresh aniwa te ikiosia. And seeing you in this beautiful temple of light, being cleansed and starting to transmute and release anything that has been holding you back, any of the pain of the past, healing and clearing all the connections between you, mental, emotional, physical, sexual connection, and through all the ethereal realms and layers of your being, cleansing the third energy between you, and releasing all long-standing karmic debt, karmic lessons, karmic roots, clearing and releasing all the wounding of the past, bringing healing light, miracle healing light into any and all wounds, starting to replenish your heart through the love of God, through the love of Spirit, replenishing and seeing how your beloved is being replenished as well, receiving more strength, more power, more joy, more freedom, more wisdom, and more divine guidance for the path ahead. And connecting into the temple of Goddess Isis in Egypt, opening to the portal of divine feminine priestess, and starting to download the energy of Sophia, the highest divine feminine wisdom, allowing it to flow through your hands to the hands of your beloved, allowing their bodies, their minds to absorb. As I give, I receive. As I receive, I give. And calibrating to your localities, to your place of birth, releasing all the pain and the trauma. And bring forward the energy of Osiris, the restored divine masculine template. Restoring the honor and the grace of the Knights of the Templars, restoring all of the honor codes through the divine masculine experience in this and other realms, restoring the value, protecting the sacred teachings, sacred ways, and your sacred bond. Acknowledging in this moment the love that is there in your hearts, the freedom that is there when there is divine love. There is no holding back, and any resistance is cleared. Bring in forgiveness for yourself and for your beloved. Forgiveness through ancient times, through past lives, through all the embodiments that you have carried and that they have carried. And forgiveness for all lives where you were together. Bring understanding, divine knowledge and wisdom. Allowing the energy of beautiful Goddess Kuan Yin to come in and heal the space around you, to come in and heal the inner children who are scared or lost. Clearing and releasing any sense of entrapment. Bring the energy of Tara, the green Tara, Shanite, Ha'alaye, Ha'alaye, Dea, Oites, Anishe, Sa'abra. And bring the energy of Saraswati, Sho'otuye, to invigorate in your connection, to spark the love, the creativity, the love for all of life, for existence, so that you may both be able to fall in love with life again, the mystery and the wonder and the awe of life, the blessing and the miracle of being here, being alive in this present moment in time. Releasing all of the longing, all of the projections, all of the rejection from the past. Releasing all of the layers of pain, barriers, releasing all vows of never opening your heart again, any vows of never loving again, or of only loving one person, one individual, if you wish, aspirito. Bring peace and divine corrections to your field, for you to release everything that is no longer serving you, everything that has been binding you or putting you in resistance or in pain. Stepping through this beautiful golden threshold into a new version of yourself, and seeing the beloved stepping into the new version of themselves, bravely, with courage, with faith, with wisdom, with hope, and with certainty that all is playing out in accordance to the divine plan, for your highest good, for their highest good, and the highest good of all. And starting to cleanse all of the relationships around you. You're working with a marker, cleansing your human relationships, their human relationships, all bonds, being blessed with divine love, divine light, divine miracle healing. Starting to heal the mother wound or the masculine, wherever he felt abandoned as a child, even in the womb, and cleansing for the feminine, wherever she felt abandoned or betrayed, or unable to be herself. Cleansing the father wound, And wherever she felt undesired or unwelcome, clearing this for both, clearing any lack through the subconscious mind and constructs, clearing and releasing all of the wounds that caused self-hatred, self-demise, self-destruction, and any lack of self-worth. We ask Mother Tara, the great, powerful Green Tara, to help us heal, to help you and your beloved heal and be restored in the light of her power, of her compassion, to be assisted to go into the next generation of light workers, to go into the next phase of light and love in your life, to step into your divine power once and for all, and to return to the divine child within, to be the divine child of the divine feminine, divine masculine, holding the sacredness of the Holy Trinity of birth, growth, death, and rebirth. Receiving support from the families of light, from the Sisterhood of the Rose, to help you cleanse and heal your bodies, for you and your beloved to be released of all the pain and trauma, all the stagnation within the physical body temple, releasing all of the hurt, the shame, the guilt, the sorrow, releasing any pride, releasing any mind games from the ego self construct, releasing any fears of death, any fears of love, any fears of becoming who you are truly meant to become as separate individuals and as one. And actualizing all of your protection through the Arcturian realms, allowing the divine gentle warriors to guard you, to guard your connection, and to bring protection to your union within and without. I'm capable of finding myself. I'm capable of trusting myself. I'm capable of loving myself. I'm capable of receiving love, the love that I deserve. I'm capable of giving love, the love that my beloved deserves. Taking a deep breath in, allowing all the healing energies to be internalized by you, by your beloved, asking for divine protection as this process occurs, and for divine activation of any parts of you that have been dormant, any parts of your beloved that have been dormant and that are now ready to be activated, to receive the love and the light of the divine again, to welcome it wholeheartedly into your being, into your life, into your body, into your physicality and your physical expression, receiving the abundance, the joy, the magnificence, and we can see in nature just receiving it, owning it, being one with all, being one with your beloved. Ewa mi so tewa mahi, ewa mari okoeta saite shaya, ye itaya saatare. In the eyes of God, all is forgiven, all is seen, all is acknowledged, all is heard, and all is forgiven. All is brought into this perfect place of harmony, balance, restoration, and resurrection of all of your divine attributes and all of the divine attributes of the beloved. Mate so hawaye kiaseye. Good. Establishing new connections of divine love, divine union. And allowing all of the old to fall away, to be gently released. Receiving help from the angelic realm, holding you both, standing around you like a beautiful rainbow light, rainbow sphere. And receiving your advancements, receiving your new positions, receiving the divine guidance to move forward in this path of light, allowing the surrender to come in, allowing the trust to come in, allowing the love to show you the way, opening through the hearts of the beloveds, revealing a beautiful blossoming flower filled with light of all colors, and starting to see the gifts of this flower being sent in all directions, nurturing you, nurturing your connection, and flowing everywhere where love is needed, where healing is needed, where safety is needed, where protection is needed, where forgiveness is needed. Receiving strong stabilization in your field. You're stable, you're whole, you're one, you are loved. Concealing through the light of the I Am. It is done. It is done. It is done. And so it is.